Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to update payment method on Amazon Prime. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Amazon website. Make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you are logged in, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen. You will see your account name there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the list of options, find the one that says Account and click on it. This will take you to your account settings page. On the account page, look for a section labeled Your Payments. Click on this option to open your payment settings. Here, you will see all the payment methods currently linked to your account. If you want to remove an old or unused payment method, find the card or account you want to change. Next to it, you will see an option that says Edit. Click on Edit and then select Remove from Wallet. Confirm if asked, and the payment method will be removed. To add a new payment method, look for the button that says Add Payment Method. Click on it and enter the required details, such as your card number, name, and billing address. Double-check the information to make sure everything is correct. After entering your details, confirm the changes. After changing or adding your payment method, go to the Prime section on Amazon. Open your Prime membership settings and check if the new card is selected there. If the new card is not applied, look for an option that says Update or Change Payment Method. Click on it and select the payment method you just added to your wallet. Save the changes to make sure your Prime Video subscription uses the correct payment method. Thanks for watching.